Dear friends, welcome to the series of this Moodle tutorial for developer. In today's video, you will talk about the file validation. That means we will allow only the required file, not the all file. So in previous video, we have the condition here. The accepted type is strict. Strict means it will accept all file type. Now let's make a correction here to specific file. So let's make it array and passing the value dot pdf. That means it will accept dot pdf file only. So let's refresh here. The moment you will add any specific file type here, one additional field you can see before this save change button. Let's see that. Okay, so this additional thing has been added after that condition. Okay, so let's add one more type dot doc and it will be added. So earlier the pdf was there only, now the word document is also. So let's try to put here the image file. Okay, so file type cannot be accepted, okay, because I am not assigned here like png file, yeah, dot gif file or any other image file types. So that is why it is not accepted. Let's try to accept the doc file. Okay, sorry, let's add this pdf. We have already passed the pdf there. Okay, so this is accepted and you can process it by click on this. So let's suppose there is one type btt1. So what you will developer see, sometimes there is no file type but still you have to add that file. In this case nothing is coming here in message, and also it does not restrict anything. It allow all file type. Okay, you can see the pdf has been browsed and it is working. So why this is issue? This is because this type is not added in the Moodle. So you can add file type here by going to admin section, then the server, then search for file type. This is the file type, and here you can add any additional file type. So scroll down to the end and add new file type. Okay, so in my case it was .btt is. Okay, type and select the text group, whatever you will enter it will come html/text. You can add here. Okay, so now click on save changes. So now you can see the btt1 has been added. Okay, so in here the custom will appear because this is added by you, not the Moodle standard thing. So let's refresh here and you can see accepted type. This one is accepting. Also it will be working fine. Let's browse this. It is saying pdf document type is not accepted. So the idea behind making this video was how to add additional file type, okay, in Moodle that is not already given, because developers sometimes get error for making in condition that is not the Moodle standard thing. Okay, so I have added this, the custom one in Moodle 2.6 and before 3.1 btt was not there, so it was issue with the btt. Thank you for watching.